In this question, we are informed that Lisa sees a dress in a cell. The normal price of the dress is $45. Now, this represents the original price, which is 100%. The price of the dress is reduced by 12%. Now, basically here, what you have to remember is that a reduction by 12% implies that the selling price will be 88% of the original cost, which is $45. So reduction by 12% implies that the selling price will be equal to 100% minus the reduction to give us the multiplier, and this will be of the original cost, which is $45. So that will be equal to 88% of $45. So that will be 0.88 multiplied by 45, which will be equal to 39.6. Okay, next question. Lisa's weekly pay increases from that, which is 525 to 546. So this represents the original pay. Original. So this is the original pay. And that's a new pay. So calculate her percentage increase. So basically the formula for percentage increase. So percentage increase is given by the increase over the original multiplied by 100. So in this case, it will be 546 minus 525 over 525, which is the original, multiplied by 100. And if you plug this in your calculator, that will be 4%. Number 27, again, here we have the average price of a liter of petrol in England. So January 2007 and January 2012. So work out the percentage increase from 2007 to 2012. So basically here again, we need to find out the percentage increase, which will be the increase over the original, which is 7.3. All this multiplied by 100. And if you plug that in your calculator, that will be 52.7%. And then the last question, we have the average price of a liter of petrol in England increases by 20% from January 2010 to January 2012. Work out the average price of a liter of petrol in England in January 2012. So you're working backwards. This is what's called reverse percentages. So an increase. So basically, if you look at this question, it means that an increase by 20% implies that the price in 2012 will be equal to 120% the price in 2010. Let me explain this here. So an increase by 20% implies that, so it implies that, so it implies that the price in 2012 will be equal to, because 2012 um, tw January 2010, this represents 100%. So this, if there's an increase of 20%, this will be 120% because you add 20% to 100% because of the increase. So basically that will be equal to 100% plus 20%, yeah, of the price in 2010. Okay, so basically here the good news is that we have the price in 2012, so which is 133.3 as it's given here in the question. Yeah, price in 2012. So that implies that this will be equal to 120% multiplied by the price in 2010. And so what we need is basically that. We need um, the price in 2010. So we can just solve this equation. So this is 133.3 will be equal to 1.2 multiplied by the price in 2010, which implies that the price in 2010 will be equal to 133.3 divided by 1.2, and that will be equal to 111.1 if you just plug this in your calculator. Okay, so that will be the price in 2010.